Level up your TikTok game with pro tips for editing your gaming clips in Adobe After Effects. Start by importing your gameplay footage. Drag and drop file greater than import also works. Then, drag your clip into a new composition. Clip trimming. Use the keyboard shortcut. Play through your clip and press B on the keyboard to set the starting point for your edit. Then press N to set the end point. Place your videos in the area. Then, click Trim Composition to work area. Effects time. Go to Effect Controls and implement the speed effect to create slow motion or fast-paced moments. Keyframes at extra flare. Speed up for laughs, slow down for epic kills. Text is key. Use the text tool to add text like headshot or favorite gaming phrases. Experiment with fonts, sizes, and animations within the character tab. Add transitions. Search transitions under presets. Experiment to create engagement and professional flow. Choose a variety of styles. Music is vital. Import trending TikTok tracks. Match the music's energy. Use the range tools for tight syncing. Add your watermark. Use a small text of your user to avoid copyright infringement. Also to brand yourself. Experiment with fonts but keep it small. Export. For TikTok, choose H.264, 1080 by 1920 aspect ratio. Select the frame rate, then export for easy upload.